Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G715. In this video I'll show you how to manage functional buttons on the keyboard. In the beginning, take a look at the top of the keyboard. Right here we've got the pairing and paired device switch button. Press it to enter pairing mode or to switch between connected devices. Press this button to enable or disable game mode, and press this button to change brightness level of the keyboard. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can skip to previous song or to next song, play, pause, mute volume, and change volume of the PC via this rolling button. That's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.